Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So according to the title of this video, it's actually a guide on how you can withdraw your MINEBASE. So I've been receiving a whole lot of messages asking questions from people. How can I withdraw my MINEBASE that I've earned certain quantities or tokens of MINEBASE. So I want to know how I can withdraw it into an exchange platform. So now I'm going to guide you through this video on how to do that, and also what you need to install, or the particular exchange where this token has been listed currently, and the actual exchange platform that we'll be making use of, or that I'll be guiding you, also how to get registered and verify your account on that exchange. So what you need to do is to download the just click on the link that I will drop. I will drop both the link to this withdrawal page and also the link to your the Bitforex exchange platform, how you can register and then get ready to start withdrawing your MINEBASE token. So if you have been following me on this channel and you actually did this update by the time I published it on this channel, I know you must have earned a lot of tokens for yourself. And currently, as of the time that I'm presenting this video, you can see that I have 59 MINEBASE token that I've actually claimed, on which I've been doing on daily basis, and I've been able to accumulate getting to 60 worth of MINEBASE token. So and right here on my channel, I share various videos relating to crypto opportunities that you can maximize, and this is one of them. And currently I'll be sharing how you can withdraw this token into your Bitforex exchange account. So now, first of all, there is what you need to do in order to withdraw your MINEBASE. So I will tell you the conditions now and also the requirements. Now, first of all, you need to authenticate. There is something you need to do on your MINEBASE account. So first of all, you need to authenticate your account, which is two-factor authentication. So you need to link it. So now when you want to link your two-factor authentication, you click on these three lines up here. So you click here and then you come to profile, you select profile. Now you need to click on profile. So you click on this icon drawdown. So you click right here on your personal info, it will draw down, then you locate security setting. So when you locate security settings, you simply click on it, then a page like this will pop up. Now you will see two-factor authentication here. So you see two-factor authentication, that it has been activated. So what you need to do is to activate it. Download this two-factor authenticator app into your phone from the Play Store. Now you proceed with the activation. You come to this place and copy the authentication code, then install it, or authentication key rather. So install it when you've done the necessary procedure. If you don't know how to do that, you can drop a message, let me guide you. So you download authenticator app, then come to this place and copy your back key, which is your authentication key passcode. So you now go to your authenticator app, then insert it there, then generate the code, come to this place and activate this two-factor authenticator. Now once you are done with this, you now proceed with the process of withdrawal. Now the second thing you need to do, so let's go back to our withdrawal page. Now the second thing you need to do, you need to, this token is actually built under Ethereum network platform. So what you need to do is that you need to have a gas fee, which is what you need to use and withdraw your money if you want to withdraw right now. That is the second thing you need to do. There is a gas fee attached to the withdrawal process. Now the third thing that you need to do is that you need to know that you can only withdraw 50% of your MINEBASE token. So currently you are eligible to withdraw 50%, which means if you have For instance, if you have 50 MINEBASE token, so what you're going to withdraw from it is 25 MINEBASE token. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is that you can withdraw a minimum of 20 MINEBASE token from this MINEBASE platform. So that is the fourth thing you need to know. So for instance, you have 40 MINEBASE token that you have already claimed. So I will also highlight on the procedure that you can follow and claim your MINEBASE token for those that have not actually been claiming their MINEBASE tokens for free on this platform. So you need to have minimum of 20 MINEBASE tokens. So if you have 40 MINEBASE token, you are eligible to withdraw 20 into your Bitforex exchange account. Now that is what you need to do. So to withdraw your MINEBASE token, you need to come to the once you are here, you go to, so I'll be showing you how you do it. Now you have this platform like this. Now go to your Bitforex account. So go to your Bitforex app. So let me locate my Bitforex app. So I've already installed, and I will drop the link in the description. Just click on that link and it will take you to this page. So now the first thing you're going to do, you can see that I have this account already. So what you are going to do is to come to this place. It's saying assets, so you click on assets. You see that anyway, you need to verify your account first, but let's forget about the verification. So let me simply show you how you do copy your MINEBASE address. So once you finish your once you are done with the registration of your Bitforex account, so when you have created an account, you log in and then download the app version. So you download the app, or you can go to the Play Store after registration with the link I will drop in the description of this video. Then you come to this place and click on profile. So up here by the left corner, you click here and you see that I've already uploaded some details that I'm expected to upload. So you can simply click verification here, or authentication. It will show authentication. So account authentication, you click and follow simple step and upload some details. Now you come to this when you are done with that, you come to this place, and then let me show you that the token has been listed on this platform. So you click on spot here, you will see that I have actually clicked here before, and this is the MINEBASE token. So and currently this coin can be traded here. So if you have your MINEBASE, you can buy and sell on this exchange, or if you have withdrawn from the MINEBASE app, you can come to this place and trade it for other currencies and then withdraw your money. So this is actually what you need to do here. So for you to withdraw your MINEBASE token, you need to copy the address of the MINEBASE from this exchange. So you need to click on deposit here. So you click on deposit. Now you can see that there is a column for you to type the token you want to withdraw. So you need to type MINEBASE in capital letter, so this will pop up. So just click on this now. Now you can be able to generate the wallet address here. Just copy it right here. So just copy it. So you copy. Now go to the account page, where the withdrawal page that we were before. So you now paste this place, paste the address that you've copied on this column. So now come to this place and put the amount of so as you can see, you can only withdraw 20 MINEBASE token. So and this 20 MINEBASE token is equivalent to $130 currently, as you can see it here. So once you are done clicking here, so the next thing you are going to do is to go to your authenticator app, then copy the two-factor authenticator. So just copy it and paste here. So now this is the gas fee that you're going to pay. Now the receivable one is 20 MINEBASE token, so you see it right here, and the coin is equivalent to 130 USDT. So that is it. Then you click on submit and it will be processed successfully. So that is actually the procedure you need to follow and withdraw your MINEBASE token. Now for those that are yet to start claiming this token, and we believe that this token might keep rising after the it has been burnt, some quantities have been burnt, so those that will hold their token might really benefit more. So I suggest you keep claiming and accumulate more of this, and hold your token very well. So this is a project that we hope it will rise higher and give us more benefit in the future. Now, so for you to be able to claim your token daily, you need to click this so in every 25 hours there is always a code that will be sent to you. You need to click on that code and use it to withdraw claim your token, which is 6.5 USDT. That is equivalent to one token on this app. Now, so you click on this three dotted line. So as you can see, currently I have already claimed 384 USDT worth of token. Now for you to be able to claim this, I've actually made this video before. So if you are new and you just sign up, there is a video. I will drop the link in the description, so you can simply go and watch that video. So I will also highlight on that now. So first of all, if you are registering new, when you finish registration, you simply need to click on wallet. So you click on wallet now, and so you come to this place. You see that there are options here. So you come scroll down, you see that there are options here. So the first one is MINEBASE. The first currency here is MINEBASE. Second currency here is USDT. So you can see they are listed here, and what you're going to do next is that you have to add your wallet. So you create wallet. So it will not show deposit here if you have not actually done this before. So all you need to do is to create wallet. You can create 3 wallets. So as you can see, USDT has been added here as a token. So the currency is actually growing, and it's nice here. So you can create 3 wallets here. So for instance, you want to deposit Ether. For you to be able to pay your gas fee, you need to use this deposit button and add Ether to this account here, and then withdraw your MINEBASE token. But that is tutorial for another day. So when once this is matured enough for withdrawal, so but this video is a highlight, is a guide on how you can do that. So after creating your wallet, you can see that you've already owned the wallet here. You can own MINEBASE wallet and Ether wallet, and also USDT wallet here. So you can use this platform to store your coins and also gauge their performance in the crypto market. Now after creating your account, you go back and then click CTP. So CTP is actually where the works lies. So what you need to do is to click on CTP. Now CTP here, you see that there are many addresses that have been generated every day. So addresses have been generated for, and it resets after some hours. Now the assigned time are these times that have been listed here, but that is not where our focus is. So our focus is on the period of time. So on the period of time, you see that the time that you are expected to come and claim your token is going to appear here. So as you can see, currently I have not received my token or the code for today. So it's going to show up here. On top of this one, you will see pending. So instead of writing completed, because I have not received for today being 16th, so it will write pending. So what you're going to do is to come to this under this one, that is this statue that is writing pending. You click on this, you highlight this token. So you just highlight this code, just copy it. So copy this code. Now the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down and come to this place. So as you can see, you paste it here and then submit. Automatically it will write claim successfully. So that is actually how to claim your MINEBASE token every 25 hours. Now currently I have 5.46 dollars. It's remaining small for it to get to $6.5 so that I can be able to claim it for today. Now after you have claimed, you go back and check your wallet, your balance. Here you see that your wallet, your MINEBASE wallet will change. The current volume that you've accumulated in USDT will change here. So that is actually how to do it. Now to check other things about your personal details, you can go to your profile and do that. So every other thing can be explained later, which include the interconnected wallet, and also some other things you need. So you can come to the dashboard. If you want to know more about this token, come to the dashboard and read up about this token. So this is actually a description of what this project is all about, and you can scroll down and read about the back office and also about the wallet, how you can create different wallets here, and also the landing page is also here. And scrolling down, you can also see some other things. So you can register your own wallet addresses, such as your USDT wallet address and other tokens that you want to own on this platform, and also store your coins. So these are what you need to do. And per hour you'll be earning $0.26. So as you can see, according to the period of time here, these are the things you need to know about this exchange platform. So guys, if you have not registered, use the link in the description of this video. If you want to check how you can follow and withdraw, so you can use the link also in the description of this video. So you can also register your Bitforex account using the link that I will drop in the description of this video. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.